Hello and welcome to my channel LB Plans. I am Elle and today I wanted to share with you my July setup in my A5 Wonderland 222. This is my catch-all planner, so I incorporate a little bit of everything. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, just be a part of my YouTube family. If you're already subscribed, welcome back and thanks for rocking with me. You guys, I've been getting over a cold, so I am trying to get back into the swing of things. I haven't had a voice really for the past couple weeks, so I'm trying to get back in here with you guys. So I also am very close to meeting my first milestone of 500 subscribers. And I want to share a little bit of my gratitude to my YouTube fam. So I am going to do a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. But I will talk about that a little bit later in the video. So let's just get started. I created my cover page on Canva. This month of July, I am going for a kind of, I don't know, a under the sea or beach theme. It is the month of my middle son's birthday and he is a little crab, so I wanted to do kind of a sea theme for him. I've become a little bit more accustomed to using my stash. The kit that I am using came from Planner Kate. And it is kind of like it's a journaling kit, but it is like this under the sea theme. So I want, or beach, it's more beachy, but I wanted to kind of use some of the stuff that I already have in my stash. I have so much washi tape and I have so many stickers that I don't use that I would say during this time while I've been down, I've been kind of refinding joy in using those things. So here you kind of just see me trying to figure out what's the best way to use some of these stickers, because it's not a kit. Well, as you guys are aware, there's not many shops that actually make kits that are designed for the Wonderland, and that's completely fine. My workaround for that has been journaling kits. If you can find a journaling kit, then you can find something that'll work. However, monthly kits, there's the sizing is a little bit different, and you know it's a little different, and so that actually kind of brings me to my conversation about the new Wonderland layout. As we get an alert, welcome to Florida, there is a kidnapped child. So I'm not editing that out. That was a legit alert that we just received, an Amber Alert. It is scary out there, guys. I have, younger kids. My daughter, she's 10, and I am like terrified of her going anywhere. My son, he's 14. He's a little bit more aware, and then I have an older son that's 20. But it's scary times out there, guys. So hug your baby safe, because this world that we're living in is just crazy. But getting back to the Wonderland setup. The new A5 Unstacked version, I am a fan. I know that a lot of people are not, I would say, are not aware, I think, of the Wonderland, because there's so many great options out there for bound books. So, and with the Tomoe River paper, there are great options. But, my version on the Unstacked 370 daily pages, that is going to be a one and done book. And I can't wait to get my hands on it. I've already pre-ordered my book. I currently am using the A5, like I said, as my catch-all, but I also have a Hobonichi cousin. And this was my first year using the Hobonichi cousin. And although it's great for what I use it for, I do find moments where I just feel like I'm being repetitive and having duplicative information there. So I don't see a need for that anymore, of having the Wonderland and the Hobonichi. I'm just not about that life. I think I can get it done in one book, especially if it has 370 pages. And I think what sets for me, though, I hit myself in the chest. For me, what sets the Wonderland apart from the other binders or the other bound books is that I noticed that the other bound books seem to follow a very similar template of the Hobonichi with the months, the weeks, and then the daily pages. And then there's some difference in between on the first pages, whether how they do the quarterly setup or the tracking. Those are where, some different shops kind of shine at when it relates to the setup of the book itself. But what I like about the Wonderland is that I like my things together. I came from a rings planner before going bookbound, before I discovered that there was a bookbound world out there. And coming from a ring setup, you kind of create your months in order. So you start, whatever month you start in, you kind of create the month, and then you have like a to-do list or whatever. You set it up however you want to, and you go forward and finish out that month. And I feel like the Wonderland stays true to that. One of the irritating things I think about the Hobonichi is that I have to go all the way to the front to find my monthly pages, and then go in the middle somewhere and try to find my weekly. And then I got this thick stack of daily pages because as you use it, it gets thick. She thick. So it kind of creates that bulk in weird places, and I don't know if I like that. So with the Wonderland, it's like once you're done with that section, it's behind you and you're only moving forward. And that format for me just works. It works with when I was at A5 ring bound, everything going in a kind of a chronological order. And I'm here for that. So I can't wait to get my little hands on my pre-order. Now I am kind of disappointed in the color selection. I get it, they went with these retro jewel tones, but they didn't have the purple that I needed. So I chose the wine. It's the next best thing. I almost chose that sage kind of green color, because if it's not purple but it's green, I'm kind of feeling it. But really it doesn't matter because I'm probably going to put it in a sleeve anyway. Although I am a little upset because I was one of the first to pre-order, because I was just like about that life. And for some reason, the cover for that size, it was sold out. So I was like, well, I'll just have to wait until they, it actually releases. And then when they have extra, I'll just buy another one. And then about, 10, maybe about an hour later, I guess someone else made the same issue, like how's a pre-order sold out. And they fixed whatever the issue was on the site, but it was too late. I already placed my order, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm shipping cheap, right? Amazon has destroyed me. So I've already paid for shipping once. Now I got to pay for shipping again. I can't do that right behind each other. So mentally, I'm just going to have to wait, and just felt like it was sold out. And then that way I don't feel like I'm double paying for shipping. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. So it's just the little things that kind of annoy me with it. But I am going full speed for 2024. I'm not looking at other planners. I see you guys. You guys are awesome. I think the common planner is bomb.com. I like the color scheme of it. I like a lot of things about it. I like how they set up their quarterly pages, but I don't like the months together, the weeks together, and then the days together. I just don't like it. For me, I do wish when you do have the daily pages at the back, I wish that there was an index page that automatically comes right there. But if you've seen my Wonderland setup, then you already know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut the index page from out the front and tip it in the back so I can create my index, because I don't need a full page for dailies. But I do have things that I like to track. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, I will link above my planner setup for my Wonderland, just because I was very particular about, carving out certain pages and of things, and having brain dumps and certain setup in the back of it. So I'm gonna do that similar thing. So I can't wait. I can't wait. And since I can't wait and I'm super excited, I am bringing somebody along with me on this one book journey. I want you guys to try it out. So, as part of me reaching 500 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. I am going to give away a Wonderland A5. I'm debating if I'm going to do A5 or B6, so you may have a choice on that, because I do understand some people don't like A5. I don't know why, but I get it. So you will have a choice of on the sides, whether it's an A5 or a B6, and I will let you choose your color. And you will have the option if you want the stacked or unstacked. So remember, the stacked version is the current version where the weekends are stacked on top of each other. The unstacked version, the columns are very narrow, very similar to the Hobonichi weeks on the weekly pages. Not the Hobonichi weeks, but the Hobonichi cousin. So that is going to be your choice, your option. And yeah, I want to bring somebody along. So if, like I said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It is crazy the amount of people who watch my channel that are not subscribed. Like, if the people who watch my channel would subscribe, I would be well over 2,000 because it's crazy. But you know, it doesn't matter. I'm here. I want to be a part of this YouTube family. So you guys support me. I want to support you. So I am doing a giveaway, so there will be more to come. As soon as we hit that threshold, I will do a live going over like how we're gonna set this up. Maybe a video first, and then I'll do a live for the actual drawing. We'll figure it out, and maybe by then, you know, who knows? Maybe I can throw some other giveaway items in there. I am really into cash budgeting now. I don't know if y'all see my cash envelope setup, but I feel real official, and I haven't did an official cash budgeting stuffing video yet because, like I said, I was sick, and I've been going through this transition while I was sick, so I just haven't created it, but I am going to do one. And I am so excited to share like the little things. I've been enjoying watching the cash budgeters on YouTube. And one thing I will say that it is that these people that I've been watching, these creators, you got to have fun with saving money. Everything can't be as serious. The savings challenges, the scratch offs, just the little things. I am here for it. I am enjoying it. Like, I just created these little cash placeholders for my savings for Christmas, and they are so freaking adorable. So I might do some giveaways for other things. We'll see what I can come up with. I also make body care products. I know you guys aren't aware of that, but you can find me on Instagram, Organic Smiles Bath and Body Care. I make handmade soaps, body butters, bath salts, what else? I don't know, bath bombs, a whole bunch. So we're going to have fun, and we're going to talk about taking care of ourselves and being the better version of us. So I know I've rambled a lot on this video. One thing I wanted to share now that we're here in the getting towards the end of the video is that on my July review, I made a big change, and I used to just track my bills and my eating out, but I am going to do weekly check-ins with certain spending categories just to try to get my budget back online. So you'll see that July review is completely different from how I used to do it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see my June setup. Overall, I think this Under the Sea theme turned out very cute. Baby, I went and found every Washi sticker that I could find in my stash because I just really enjoyed the hollow and like I said, the Under the Sea theme. My son is turning 14. He is a little cancer crab, and it fits his personality, so I just wanted to just, go all out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try to put in the description section everything that I mentioned. And until next video, you guys take care, be blessed, stay safe, and remember, to take care and look after your children, because you guys heard that I just got an alert. Unfortunately, here in Florida, a child has been abducted. Hopefully, it's just a misunderstanding, and they're able to find the child. And so we're gonna pray for that and put that good energy out in the universe. Until next video, you guys take care. Bye.